Hey guys, today I will show you how to get Rathian Plate in Monster Hunter World. Rathian Plate is a rare material that drops from Rathian, and there are multiple ways to get it in one hunt. From carves and quest rewards, you have a 5% chance from the body and 5% from the tail carve. For breakable part rewards, breaking the body gives about 4% and breaking the back gives about 1%. The best drop rates come from investigations. Silver reward boxes give 8% and gold reward boxes give 16%, which is the highest chance available. The best way to farm Rathian Plate in a single hunt is this. First, cut the tail and carve it. Second, break the body. And finally, capture Rathian instead of killing her. Doing all three in one hunt stacks multiple reward chances and gives you the highest overall odds in one run. And that's how to get Rathian Plate in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.